Quick, nutritious and bursting with Mediterranean flavours. This colourful bowl combines tender chicken, zesty yoghurt sauce and vibrant veggies. Simple and satisfying. Chop the garlic and mint finely. Cut the lemon into wedges. Set them all aside for later. Dice the cucumber and halve the cherry tomatoes and set aside in a bowl for later. Heat olive oil in a pot over medium-high heat. Add the onion, garlic and paprika. Sauté for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Next, stir in the orzo. And fry for 1 more minute. Pour in the vegetable stock. Cover with the lid and let it cook over a low heat. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. While the orzo cooks, melt the butter in a frying pan. Add the chicken strips and cook until they're golden brown and cook through. Drizzle the cucumber and tomatoes with some balsamic vinegar and olive oil. Then season with salt and pepper. For the yoghurt sauce, combine the yoghurt with the chopped mint and the juice from 1 lemon wedge. Season with salt and pepper. This creamy sauce brings everything together. Serve the orzo in deep plates. Add the golden chicken strips and arrange the refreshing cucumber tomato salad on top. Finally, drizzle generously with the mint yogurt sauce and serve with extra lemon wedges for that perfect zing. Vibrant, zesty and irresistible, dinner is served.